how to sign up or create account or log into your Kraken account. So if you want to sign up or create an account on Kraken, first of all you want to simply launch the Kraken application here, and this is the interface that we will be able to see right here. Now once you see this interface, tap on the account icon from the bottom right of the corner. Here you can see the option called create account, so tap on create account. Now if you already have an account, then you can just tap on the I already have an account button here, enter the email or the username associated with your account. But if you don't, then just go to the create account page and simply make sure to enter the email address that you would like to use for your Kraken account. So once you enter the email you want to use for your Kraken, tap on the continue button and simply make sure to create a unique password that is at least 12 characters, has one number, special character, one letter, and then tap the continue button. And after you've done that, you will be able to go ahead and then basically sign in to your Kraken account. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then create an account and also go ahead and then basically log into Kraken. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.